Let her walk.
She might spiral out of control.
You gotta pick up the rug a little bit, or pick up the dog so it can go on the rug. I know, that's why you're controlling it. Says, don't hold me back, Dad. I'm pushing this dog.
Gracie, don't do that.
I'm going.
Hey.
Let's go. It's not moving. You gotta push it, Gracie. Whoops. You got it. All right. Come on.
Her toe's stuck. Oh, this is interesting.
Come on, Gracie. Let's go. Yeah. Want to go down the hallway? Okay, here we go. Down the hall. Let's go. You gotta move your feet. Go, Gracie, go. Oh, you touching the wall on the way?
Hi.
Hi. Yay. So we just opened the puppy, didn't we? Say hi. Hi. All right, come on. We'll keep walking. Yeah. What a cool dog. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hi. Whoopsie. Get up. Oh, no. Come on. Get up. There you go. There you go. Honk honk. Concentration. Concentration. What a cool dog. Get this other stuff out of the way so you can walk through. Here we go. Here we go. You want to sit on your dog? Do you want to sit on him? Okay, let's put you on him. Here you go. Let's do this. Gracie, look. Come on. Yay! Yay! Gracie! Hi! You want to move? Okay, come on. We need Dad to help us. We can't do this all on our own. I can't both push her and play with the camera at the same time.
Hi, baby. Hello.
Make sure she stays
Stays where?
on it. She's learning her balance. She's leaning to the side. Yeah! You push her over towards the... Get behind her and push her towards the mirror. No, just finish. Just go and just do it.
She gets sad.
Why? Because she's stopping. Come here. Hi. Doo-doo. Gracie. Yay! She's gonna catch the rug. There you go. Box. Ah, hi. Wow. Gracie, you say hi?
Hello.
You see yourself riding it? Yay!
Grace, yay.
All right. Where'd Dad go? You touch the doggy? There's his nose. His ears? You see his ears? Oh, it's a nice ear. Yeah. Yeah. You want him to go more? Yay! Go, puppy, go. Go, puppy, go. Hi. Okay. Grace. Grace, say bye-bye, Uncle. Bye-bye. Grace.